Okay, more continuing psychokinesis. Okay, you can see my finger. I'm gonna try to keep this camera steady as possible. You can see my finger, and the ball is immediately moving away. Now watch my finger closely. It's pulsating back and forth, the middle finger there. As the finger pulsates back and forth, the ball is moving away, pretty much in rhythm with the pulsation of my finger. You can really see it. It's slowly pulsating at a rate slower than my actual heart rate. Now, whatever's, I don't know, the energy, and you can see what looked like steam escape from the top of the bottle as the bottle is moving away from my pulsating finger. Yeah, you can really see it. I can see it. The camera seems to see it. So the bottle is moved quite a bit away from my finger, and the camera is pretty steady. You can see the steam escape. This is what separates my video on psychokinesis from the others. Now this is an empty bottle of 5-hour energy. You can see the Bible shaking, and it's moving away from my finger, which I have not moved. You can see the finger pulsating slowly, slower than my heart rate. I would think I've checked it before, my heart rate is actually slower than the pulsation. I don't fully understand that. But there's some type of energy, I would suppose electromagnetic energy, coming through my fingers, originating from, I don't know, the impulse somewhere in the brain. This will probably be what the mystics call chi energy, CHI. It's, like I say, it's, as the finger pulsates, the bottle is slowly moving away and shaking. And you can see steam, looks like a little stream of steam, vapor, entropy, as my youngest son would call it, as the exchange of energy between my finger and the electromagnetic force that's being generated to the electromagnetic force of the bottle, which is causing some kind of heat transfer. And you can see, I just saw some vapor escape there. You can see the bottle has moved away quite a bit from my finger. I'm going to try to move my finger in again closer to show you better. Now the finger is about about 1/16 of an inch away, and immediately the bottle, you can see my finger pulsating. The bottle is immediately moving away. It's now at about 1/8 of an inch. It's shaking. There are four forces of nature, according to the physicists: strong and nuclear force, weak nuclear force, gravity, and electromagnetic force. I'm assuming this is what's going on here is the electromagnetic force. Look at my finger, how it's pulsating. In the bottle, you can see it pretty much moving in rhythm with the pulsation of my middle finger. No jokes about that now. But the middle finger is pulsating with energy, I guess some kind of electromagnetic pulse coming through my fingers. Now the bottle is now almost 1/4 of an inch away. It only weighs about a 1/2 ounce, But I'm going to replace the bottle now with a glass of water, and we'll see the same phenomenon. I'm going to place my finger, okay, about a 1/16 of an inch away. Let me see if I can get a better. About a 1/16 of an inch away. I got to try to get a better angle. I think you can see I'm trying to hold this as steady as possible. The glass is shaking, and yeah, you can see it's shaking. I'm going to try to put the camera down. Okay. And make it more steady. It's kind of difficult to hold it. Okay, now that you can see the glass really rocking back and forth. Now that's not me. That's the glass itself shaking because of the electromagnetic force coming from my fingers. Now that was me there trying to get a better angle. But before, it's coming from my fingers and the electromagnetic force being emitted. You can't see my fingers as well as with, okay, you can see it a little bit now, pulsating in and out. You can see the glass kind of rocking back and forth at the top because of the interchange of electromagnetic energy and the thermodynamic energy. You can see look at the very top of the glass, you can really, and I saw some vapor coming out then. Now this object is about 50 times heavier than, see it's really rocked in, about 50 times heavier than the empty bottle of 5-hour energy, yet it's reacting in a pretty much same manner. It's rocking due to the exchange of energy and the heat transfer. So even though this object is much heavier, the mass doesn't seem to make that big a difference since the electromagnetic energy from my finger is reacting to the electromagnetic energy of the glass. I think that's what's going on. All right.